Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to disable app access to your camera in Windows 10. Safeguarding your privacy is crucial, and in this guide, we'll show you how to control which applications can access your camera. Whether it's for security reasons or simply to manage app permissions, follow along as we navigate through the settings and demonstrate the process to easily turn off app access to your camera in Windows 10. Go to Settings. Then Privacy Settings. Go to Camera Settings. You'll see an option titled Allow Apps to Access Your Camera Turn Off. Or scroll down to choose which apps can access your camera. You'll see a list of apps with toggles to grant or restrict their access to your camera. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.